Hey everyone! On the Velo channel today, I'll show you what to do if the mouse cursor moves on its own, jumps around, and so on. So, we'll need to go into the mouse settings and adjust them. Alright. Let's go into the mouse settings. Yes, just like that, literally. Right here, you'll need to reduce this slider to decrease the sensitivity and reduce any accidental movements. There, and enable this toggle. There, yes. That is, improving the cursor movement type. Further down, we have additional mouse settings. Here you can also take a look at what you might need to fix. There. But what we're interested in is this. Here it's best to disable everything and leave this one as I have it. This usually helps. This one, by the way, needs to be turned off. There. You can also reset the mouse driver settings. To do this, right-click the mouse, go to Properties, and click on the Device Dispatcher. But it's better to finish everything first because you'll need to restart the computer since the mouse will stop working. You'll need to restart the computer. Select the mouse here, right-click Properties, then click Update Driver, find it on the computer, select from the list and install. After that, restart the computer using the button, and hopefully that should help. That was Veller. See you all later.